Hey you guys, Asani Beauty, thank you so much for choosing my channel. Today's video is going to be a review and brief tutorial over the BH Cosmetics Vegan Deluxe Brush Set. This is not a set, they are sold individually, but they are available on BH Cosmetics right now. I received these as a Christmas gift from my good friend Yolanda. So she did purchase these for me. But some of the benefits of this brush set per the BH Cosmetics website is that they flawlessly buff makeup for an airbrush effect. They're ultra plush and have synthetic bristles, cruelty free, vegan, and of professional quality. So that's directly from the BH Cosmetics website. And my friend Yolanda, she actually purchased this brush set a few months ago and has been using it. So from what she was saying, that she wasn't breaking out on her face when she was using them. So she didn't see any irritation from the brushes. I thought that was good. And also she said that she didn't see a lot of fallout from the bristle hairs. And I'm a fan of BH Cosmetics brushes. I have quite a few of their brush lines. And I can attest to that as well. The brushes don't have a lot of fallout. They do apply your makeup pretty well. I do have some high-end brushes. I have some MAC brushes. I have some Sigma brushes to compare them to. And I also have some other low-end brushes. And in my opinion, the BH Cosmetics can compete with the Sigma brush line. They can compete with the MAC Cosmetics brush line. Next brush here is I have the V1, which is the large powder brush. I have the V1, which is a large powder brush. I have the V2, which is a domed blending contour brush. I also have the V12, which is a flat foundation and contour buffer brush. It is for buffing out creams, liquids, and powders. You can use this one to buff out the foundation. I actually use this brush to buff out my MAC Studio Sculpt SPF 15. These two went well together, and I also use it to buff out a contour using AJ Crimson's artist kit around my forehead as well. So this is a really awesome brush, really liked it. And I also like the style of the brushes here. If I can just say, if your makeup has pretty packaging, it's more appealing. So the fact that they have like the silver and the chrome, this really stylish and really classy look. I also picked up the V4, which is a liquid foundation application brush. I have here the V3, which is an angled blush brush. You can also use this to contour, buff out your under eye concealer, and also as a contour as well. And then I have the V6, which is a flathead foundation brush. Flathead eyeshadow brush. And I have the V8, which is a lip brush. So this will apply your lipstick, liquid lipstick, things of that nature. So if you are looking to start your makeup bag or artist kit, I do recommend these set of brushes. Because they are vegan, cruelty free, and they are very affordable, and they are high quality, and they get the job done. So if you're looking for some affordable brushes, I do recommend the BH Cosmetics Vegan Deluxe set line of brushes. And that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you felt this video was helpful, definitely click like and go ahead and share it with someone that may have a use for it. Also, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and hit that notification button so that you can get notices as soon as I upload videos. And hey you guys, if you don't do anything else, stay beautiful and be kind to one another. Thank you so much for watching.